Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today is our sixth lecture and we will discuss about concrete block quantity. Okay, so we will find the quantity of concrete solid blocks. Okay, so in previous lectures we find a quantity of brick. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss concrete block. Okay, so let's start the lecture. So sorry, so we will find concrete block quantity. Okay, so generally there are different sizes and shapes of concrete blocks. Okay, sizes means dimensions of blocks are different in different places. Okay, so we will take an example of a concrete block having length is equal to 12 feet 12 inches into breadth is equal to 8 inches and thickness or depth of block is equal to 6 inches. Okay, so we will find the quantities of these types of blocks. Okay, with mortar 1:4. Okay, 1:4. So volume formula is equal to numbers into length into height into thickness. Okay, into thickness. Number multiplied by length multiplied by height multiplied by thickness. Okay, so for example, number of walls is equal to, for example, 2. Okay, for example, we have 2 walls. Okay, and length of each wall is equal to 50 feet, for example. Okay, and height is equal to, for example, we have 9 feet. Okay, and thickness or depth of block is equal to 6 inches, which is equal to 0.5 feet. Okay, so 6 divided by 12 will give you 0.5, as 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So that's why we will divide 6 by 12. Okay, so now all units are in feet, so we will put these numbers in the above formula of volume. Okay, so it will become volume of wall is equal to number 2 into length is 50 into height is 9 into 0.5 is thickness. Okay, so it will give 50 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 0.5 will give 450 cubic feet. Okay, 450 cubic feet is the volume of wall. So now we will add wastages. Okay, add 5% wastages. Okay, so 5% means 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 450 is equal to, will give 22.5, will give 22.5 cubic feet. Okay, so we will add wastages and volume of wall, will give total volume is equal to 450 plus 22.5. Okay, so it will become 72.5 cubic feet. This is total volume, okay, of wall. Total volume of wall. So now we will find in second step volume of one block with mortar. Okay, so mortar thickness is equal to 3 divided by 8 inches or 10 mm or 10 millimeter. Okay, so now we will find volume of one block. So 3 divided by 8 will give 3 divided by 8 will give 0.375 inches. Okay, so this is the mortar thickness, and we will add this thickness to a single block. Okay, so we know length of one block is 12 plus we will add 0.375. Okay, and multiply by breadth or width of one block is equal to 8 inches. So 8 plus 0.375, we will add 0.375 to length, breadth, and to thickness. Okay, so multiply by thickness is 6 inches plus 0.375, so it will give 12.375 plus 8.375 plus 6.375. Now add these numbers, so it will give 12.375 plus 8.375 plus 6.375, 27.12 will give 27.12 inches cubic inches. Okay, so now we will convert cubic inches into cubic feet, as volume of wall is in cubic feet, so we will convert cubic inches into cubic feet. So for that, let's take another slide. 27 point sorry, we did a mistake. We will multiply these quantities. Okay, we will multiply, as we have multiplication here, so we will multiply these quantities, so it will give 660.70 cubic inches. Okay, so now we will convert these cubic inches into cubic feet. So 660.70 divided by, as this is in cubic inches, means we will divide it by 3 times of 12. Okay, so it will give answer in cubic feet. Point 70 divided by 12, again divide by 12, again divide by 12. 0.38 will give 0.38 cubic feet. So volume of one block is equal to volume of one block is equal to 0.38 cubic feet. Okay, so now we will just divide volume of wall divided by volume of one block, so we'll give number of blocks. Okay, so volume of block was 472.5 divided by volume of one block is 0.38, will equal to number of blocks. So 72.5 divided by 0.38 8 will give 1243.4, means 1243.4 means 1244 blocks with mortar. Okay, so now we will find mortar quantity. Okay, number of blocks are 1244. Okay, and now we will find mortar quantity, means cement quantity and sand quantity. So for that we know that 30% dry mortar is used in brick work, while 18% dry mortar is used in block work. Okay, note that point. Okay, so means 18%, 18 divided by 100 into volume of wall was 472.5 will give 472.5 into 18 divided by 100, so we'll give 85 cubic feet. So dry volume is equal to 85 cubic feet. So this is dry volume. So now we have ratio is 1:4. So sum of ratio is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, sum of ratio is 5. Now we have previous formulas for cement is equal to ratio of cement multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. Okay, so cement quantity will be equal to 1 multiplied by 85. We will take dry quantity, so sum of ratio is 5. So 85 divided by 5 will give 17. Okay, now we will convert into bags. So we will divide 17 by 1.25. Okay, it will give cement bags divided by 1.25 will give 13.6 bags. Okay, means 14 bags of cement will be used in these walls. Okay, now we will find sand quantity. So for sand we have same formula, ratio of sand multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratios. So the ratio of sand is 4, dry quantity is 85 divided by sum of ratio is 5 will give 85 into 4 divide by 5 will give 68 cubic feet. So this is less than Sekla, means it's equal to in Sekla 68 divided by 100 will equal to 0.68 Sekla, and in Wilboro it will equal to 68 divided by 2.5 will give 27 Wilboro. Okay, so by this method we can find number of concrete blocks, quantity of cement bags, and sand. Okay, so I hope you all will understand this. This was our sixth lecture. Okay, if anyone have a question you can ask. So thank you, bye bye, take care.